Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection without passcode on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to change the passcode or if you want to turn off the passcode, and as you try to change the password on your iPhone iOS 26, it's always ask for this the stolen device protection or security delay. But if you would not remember your passcode to so that you cannot turn off the security delay or stolen device protection, then what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So in reset, you have to find reset network settings, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you select the Face ID and passcode. And as you select the Face ID and passcode, and it will ask for your passcode of your iPhone iOS 26. So you have to make sure that you remember your passcode. As you do not remember your passcode, you will not be able to change your stolen device protection settings. So you have to try for your passcode, and you have to make sure that you use the correct passcode, because without passcode you will not even able to turn on the Face ID and passcode settings. So you have to make sure about that. Moreover, if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, then there is 2 layers of security. The first one is your Face ID as you turn off the stolen device protection. The second one is security delay, which means if you turn off this the stolen device protection, then it will always ask for the security delay. Then there are two options available. The first one is away from familiar location, and second one is always. So if you want to turn off the security delay, then you have to make sure that you select that option. So you have to select that, and here it will ask for your Face ID, and after that you have to wait for 1 hour, and after that you can simply choose this option. After you have selected that option, your stolen device protection will be turned off without a security delay, and you have to make sure that you remember the passcode, because without passcode you will not be able to change the settings of your stolen device protection. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.